Tinubu, you dey see am. Tinubu, you dey see am. Wike, you dey see am. Akpabio, una dey see am. Ojus Okanu, Dave Umahi, Atiku Abubakar. Hey, Ato Eze Nukpo, Obi Cubana chief priest, E-Money, una dey see am. Sheyi Tinubu, una dey see am. My car, my house, my mansion, my estate, my Lagos, my Abuja, my presidency, una dey see am. This is just a small lesson to we humans, you, me, and others. You dey see wetin dey happen. My car, my money, $2 billion, $10 billion. You dey see am. Make I tell you, Tinubu, make I tell you, Wike, all of you that I've just mentioned, you people are nothing. You are nothing before Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Before God, you are like a grain of rice. You are not even up to a grain of rice. You see what is going on here? Can you see it? The whole city, the whole country can go down within 30 minutes. Everybody will be gone. Both you, your mama, your papa, your family, your property, yourself, all of you can go down within 1 hour. The whole country will go down. You see what is happening? This is natural cleansing. Who caused it? This is what they call natural disaster. We don't wish it for anybody, but all we wish is for us to be healthy and sound to face our daily duties. Don't carry the burden of criminality, corruption on your head, because you can lose it within a twinkling of an eye. I'm just making this video to show you what is happening in other places. Little happened in Lekki, that was just child's play, you know. But just look at the broader picture. This can happen. The whole country can be overflooded, that even you will be scrambling to save only your own head. Now we are not talking about tribe. We are not talking about Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, or even your building, or even Asorok, your big office. Your ministerial office can be taken down by this flood. You can see it by yourself. So why am I saying this? When you are in a position, do what is right. Do what is right. Consider people, consider yourself, and consider others. All the money you have stolen, either by omission or by truth or by lies, whichever way you have cornered some billions of dollars or millions of dollars, think about it. You know, this life is nothing. Even me speaking right now, I don't have many years to stay in this planet Earth. Not to talk of someone like Tinubu, not to talk of someone like Akpabio, Wike, Ojus Okanu, Dave Umahi, Ato Eze, Atiku Abubakar, and the rest of us all. That is why I'm making this video. For us to have what we call human conscience, let us start to think. You can have all the powers that you think you have, probably from your club. They are telling you how to run things. Sometimes you sit down and take account, like you do auditing of your life and the lives of those around you. This is the reason why I'm bringing this video. You can see what is happening. The whole city is gone. The whole country is gone. There is nothing you can do about it. This time around, nothing can save you. No police, no army, nothing, no judge, no son, no nothing can save nothing, nobody. This is how the whole country can just go down within just 1 or 2 hours. Everything is gone. You can't even locate where you were living before anymore. You can't locate your house. There is no house. You get the point. So reason and think, why all this stealing, all this corruption, all this intimidation, all this oppression, just for what you can't keep for a long time? It's just a piece of advice. I don't mean any harm. It can happen to anybody. It can happen. So just think about it. If you feel it, if you feel this video smart and the content in order, give it a thumb up. Just give it a like and also follow. That is what I have today just to say to us. It can happen to anybody. Packing money, installing, having bank, any type of bank you have, everything can go. With your safe, you store everything is stored in the bank. With probably you have more than 2,000 bars of gold. You have diamonds in the bank, safe in a private place where safe. You have stored too much food. You have occupied large ground space for yourself. Ojo Zokano, Dave Umahi, Tinubu, Wike, you will not live forever. You get the point? So think about it. Just a food for thought. I don't have anything to say more than this. Remain blessed and think like a human being, not like an animal. You get the point now. See you in my comment section. See you people.